Welcome back to my channel. Today is the garlic carrot fries, dialysis approved. Also, I'd like to thank SJS Accessible Apparel for sending me their very comfortable Alliance top for men so that I can show you how versatile this dress shirt is for patients on dialysis or chemotherapy. The apparel design puts the patient first because the founders are dialysis nurses. SJS also has a very cute style for women too. You can check out the product by scanning this QR code or check out their website at sjsaccessibleapparel.com and get your 10% discount on your first order. All my ingredients are fresh. The only thing that isn't fresh is the chipotle sauce, but that's to make the dip. Now, be aware, I do use MSG. The reason why is because MSG has less sodium and it gives it more flavor. So, I prefer using MSG. Now, you will be told carrots are high potassium. Not true.
Honey, I keep smelling carrots.
They do have some potassium, so be aware of your potassium levels, but I still encourage carrots over anything else. And these are way better than potato fries, I guarantee you, because they got fiber and vitamin. Now what I'm doing here, I'm putting all the dry rubs and the oil and I'm mixing it. My favorite part because it's fun. You play with your food. Now you have the option of baking in the oven or air frying them. I prefer air frying just because it's easier and it's just less messier. And that's it. Now, while all that's happening, you make your dip. And all I use is mayo and lime or lemon and the chipotle sauce, only a tablespoon. And that's it. And you got your dip. And I guarantee you, you will enjoy this dip. And that's it. Enjoy your dish with your family, with your friends, or hug it all for yourself. Again, this is dialysis safe. So follow me for more tips. Thanks.